So this is the euro dollar analysis for Monday the 15th of January. So let's just have a look what happened with prices. So we're initially saying that we were looking at 2092, see how prices react. We did have a pretty strong momentum breaking out above, as indicated by this very strong candle. We've had the move upwards towards the 2178 that we identified. We did trade above 2178. We did come up to pretty much this 223. We are having a bit of a pullback at the moment. It does appear to be a bit of a bull flag pullback, so we're possibly finding support at 2178 before another retest of 2223. Move beyond 2223. We are looking for prices to head towards the 2287 level, beyond which we're looking for 2362. So those are the levels that we are looking for to the upside, in and around the 2223, 2287 and 2362 to the upside. If we do break down again, we're looking to possibly find support at 2178 or possibly around this 2150. The reason I've pretty much identified a 2150 level is pretty much we've had this consolidation just there in around 2150, plus we've got a 20-period moving average. Again, a pullback there. We're looking for potential buy side momentum to take us through 2178 all the way up to 2223, break of which we're looking for 2287. Now, if we did break down from where we are at present, we didn't find support at 2150. Again, we'll be looking to see our price react in around 2092, previous highs in around 2017, a breakdown from which we're looking for 2030, coupled with the 400-period moving average marked out here in blue. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond 2030, but if we did, we'll see our price reacting around the 120 level, beyond which we're looking for 1961. Now, we've pretty much identified levels to the upside and areas where the market might turn around. So let's just have a big picture view. So we're going to head over to the monthly chart on the euro dollar. And we just get a scale on here, correct? And as we can see in the euro dollar, we've got pretty bullish price action here on the monthly. We've come down, found support there, and we've had prices move upwards towards our 120. We've had a pullback from the 120, just there, all the way down to the 116. Since then, we have seen pretty strong bullish buy side momentum come into this market. The previous 3 months, the 2 previous months, as well as the month of January so far, are pretty bullish candles, as can be indicated by the fact that we are currently closing near the highs, which indicate there's a lot of buy side momentum, especially after seeing this break above this previous swing in the market. So we do expect further buy side momentum. All levels previously identified, so we do look poised for further upside momentum. We'll see our prices react towards levels previously mentioned, as well as the 200-period moving average here on the monthly chart. Probably not see a reaction around there. Let's just see. We did see some buying reaction around the. Well, we did see, surprisingly enough, we did see some bullish buying reaction there, and there also on the 200-period moving average on the monthly chart. So we'll see our prices react in around there. The 200-period moving average on the monthly chart won't come into focus for quite some time, but it's currently sitting in around the 2430 level. Now let's just have a look at a weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, let's just draw this out. So we've had a test, upside continuation. We've had a gap up in the market, had a pretty strong run on this weekly time frame. Had a pull back down, slow price action along the 200-period moving average before catching another bid. So we posted a low there, posted a higher low, and we've had the upside continuation breaking out above the previous highs with strong momentum. So again, on this weekly chart, we are looking poised for more upside momentum. We do also have the 400-period moving average coming to focus, but that should pretty much be in line with the 200-period moving average on the monthly chart. Now, we're going to head on to the daily chart before wrapping up here on the euro dollar. And here we are on the euro dollar. So we get a pen. We've had our previous highs. We've had a lower high there. We've swung down in the market. Again, we've had a pullback. Had prices head upwards. pull back down to a previous area of support, found buy side momentum, and pull back again. So we've got a series of lows, higher lows, sorry. So we've got a low, higher low, higher low, had a pull back down to the 20-period moving average, found support. We've had a breakout above these previous highs, and again, we've posted a higher low. So price action does seem a bit bullish, especially here on the daily chart. Now, let's just see. If this candle was at the end of the trend, this would possibly be an exhaustion candle, but it's pretty early in this, after this pullback, so we may see a little bit of retracement here, possibly taking us down to the levels previously identified here on Monday the 15th, before we see upside continuation, because Friday's candle, this very large candle, is pretty strong bullish candle. So the bulls might have a bit of a rest, bears might step into the market, so we might see a bit of a pullback before we see continuation later on this week, unless we do get up to a significant level that we are likely to turn around from. And with that said, that should pretty much just wrap up everything in regards to the euro dollar. Thanks for watching.